Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to adjust password and security on settings on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app, go to your menu on the top left, bottom right, and then go to settings and privacy, then go to settings and then scroll down, look for security login, and then after that go to Meta account center, search for password and security, and then change your password. Type in your current password, then your new password, then retype your new password, and if you forgot your password, just click on forgot on password and do all the credentials that it requires you to do. After that, go ahead and enable two-factor authentication, check authorized logins and devices, and at last log out of unused devices. And that's it. Safety tip: use a strong unique password. Quick fix: update the app if security settings aren't showing. And that's it. Subscribe for more tips.